Hey y'all, Prepper News and Reviews. So I just want to do a little review on this HTE spray gun from Harbor Freight. It's kind of like one of the better ones at Harbor Freight. So just doing a little unboxing. So if you look at it, it looks pretty nice. However, you have to buy your own hookup for the O2 or the air, and then you also need this adapter, this one right here, which is not included. Altogether, I mean, it's like, you know, $140 or something. And then I already had this thread tape, so let's get to it. By the way, it is beautiful out here today. Alright, so it comes in this little bag. Alright, so there it is. And it's got your little adjuster down here. And it looks like just your, you know, standard thread. They had like a swivel one, but I had to put an adapter on it for it to work. So I figured it kind of defeated the purpose if I had to put an extension on it. So yeah, so your regular adapter fits on there nice. Just gonna put some thread tape. Yeah, I mean, that feels pretty nice. And then I also got like their cups. So they have the cups sold separate. These, it's funny, this was actually, they had fake boxes out on display. So I guess people steal these or something, but I mean, I'm excited to try it out. So next video, we'll get all the connectors put on. It shouldn't take long at all, and then we'll give it a go. We'll see how this thing works. Like, comment, subscribe.